When you're touring around the bush and you see those little brown or green signs, make sure you jump out and have a look. You never know what you'll find, and it's a great way to stretch the legs. Let's see what Victoria Rock's got, eh? Let's go, team. Like a lot of landmarks in this area, Victoria Rocks holds a special precious little nugget of history. This is where John Holland first laid eyes on his destination of Bailey's Find that kicked off the rush in Kalgoorlie. We didn't find any gold here today, just a bit of fun with each other. And that's got to be worth something. Oh yeah, there's big tadpoles here.